Welcome to Suburbia project tutorial, Commercial Applications. We have now completed all the data sheets and the technical input. In this video, we will proceed to activate all the pre-calculated items in commercial applications, giving them a monetary value. Commercial applications, materials, fittings and appliances. Backfilling. Building material rates. Pre-allocated concrete lintels. Doors. We have one single garage door and its electrical control unit. You will see that the numbers in these two blocks correspond. What this means is that the door frames we selected earlier correspond to the doors we've now selected. General building necessities. The plastic sheeting for the floor, for the ground slab, we can choose from these different quantities here. You can see the economic choice is indicated here, but I'm going to vary from that. I'm going to go for this one over here, simply because it's a little bit wider. We have one stove. Let's put a fixed cost in for light fittings. Ironmongery. We have no miscellaneous items. Sanitary and hardware. These figures were put in earlier, but we omitted to put the toilets in. There's 3 close couple toilets. Let's give this house 150 litre geyser. And then let's activate all the appurtenances. Sanitary accessories. Reinforcing steel. The strip footing may need reinforcing. Let's select 10 white 10 rebar and put 4 strands in a box structure. We'll do the same for the internal walls. Let's go to the floor slab. Let's select the mesh that we require there. We've got a reference 100, 6 by 2.4. Let's select that one. We can now select our taps. Let's put in 2 garden taps and say 1 refrigerator tap. Tiles and material. shower floors, tile skirting. We don't have tiles on the windowsills, floor tiles, wall tiles. Now there's a comment over here, allow extra tiles for kitchen and scullery. So let's put in for that, let's say another 5 square meters. Let's correspond over here with the necessary adhesive and the grout. There are no air conditioners or alarm ceilings, so we'll proceed on to the ceilings. There's no civil work, we've got no cladding. The cupboards, we did put the figures in for the built-in cupboards previously, so let's just activate the vanities and put a fixed cost in for the kitchen cupboards. Let's say 45,000. Electrical installation. This will be from a quotation that you got from your electrical contractor. Let's say 35,000 there. And for the lights and switches, let's say 3,500. Elevators and escalators, fencing, there's nothing there. Flooring, we've already put in the carpets, so we can pass that. Frames and glazing. From the picture, from the plan, it looks like we have aluminium frames, and on the interior we have wooden frames. So let's put a fixed cost over there for say 50,000 rand for the aluminium frames, and say 6,000 rand for the wooden frames. The glass cost is included in the frame, so we can pass on that. Groundworks, let's estimate say 50 cubic meters of rubble that maybe have to be removed, and we'll hire a TLB for 18 hours. Takes care of that. Gutters and downpipes, landscaping, painting. All the areas have been pre-calculated, we can just activate them. Takes care of the painting. Paving. Let's allow an apron of 1.2 meters around the superstructure. That will give us a total of 78.9 square meters of paving. Let's activate that. We can include your plastic underlay, cement, sand and plaster sand, but normally this is supplied by your paving subcontractor, so we'll just leave it at that. We don't have a pergola. Let's activate pest control. We'll need a compactor for 3 days. Let's activate that. Plumbing installation. Let's just activate all those items. We don't have the detail of water piping and sewage piping, so let's just pass that. We don't have a pool. We have a roof. Let's take an estimate over there of say 75,000 rand for the roof, and let's say for the erection, let's say 15,000. That's 15,000. That's good. Sauna, we have shower cubicles, we have one. Let's activate that. We have no steel work of note. structural steel, waterproofing. Yeah, let's just activate all the waterproofing. Takes care of that. Work surfaces. I think we finished with work surfaces. Let's go on to labour now. Let's go to masonry work. And plaster work. That takes care of the plaster work. We can just look at the tiling labour and the carpentry. A few doors need to be hung, and then fitting all the towel rails and soap dishes. And then we will allow an amount for somebody to come and clean the house once we're finished. So that takes care of commercial applications. In the next video we will take a tour around the whole program and see what the influence has been with the technical input and the commercial input.